Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you where will your note appear on Facebook. So first up, when you open your Facebook app, as you can see on your screen, so tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner where you find the note section. So tap on that note. And here, as you can see, you can share thoughts with notes and only you can see replies to your note. So from here, you can just type your note here. For example, I'm going to type a random text. Then once done, tap on the share button at the top right-hand corner of your screen. So once you tap on that, as you can see, your note has been shared and you can basically view it by tapping on your profile picture. So here, as you can see, you have two options if you want to replace note or delete note, and it could be shared with your friends for 24 hours. Now, the other way to find your notes is by going to your Messenger app. So tap on your Messenger icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and from here, you'll find all your notes and your notes from your friends. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.